Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel, Stunning Handwork Idea. Stunning Handwork Idea is a great channel of hand working, especially cross stitches hand embroidery. But today we have brought for you very beautiful crochet handmade animals and birds designs. Very amazing idea, impressive idea. You can watch this video and it is very beautiful and amazing, mind-blowing idea you are watching on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. Watch the full video and get beautiful idea from this video. Every clip is amazing, every designs mind-blowing, gorgeous ideas of handmade animals and birds you are watching on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. Um, Comment us about this video because we bring sometimes any other work for you except cross stitch hand embroidery. Today all the designs are very beautiful, very attractive, colorful and amazing. Don't forget to comment us about this video. If you like it, this type of video, we will bring every day for you latest countable crochet work. You can easily count stitches and try to make yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video and thanks a lot for your beautiful comment us about this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you are watching first time, then subscribe this beautiful channel, like this video, share this video and comment us about this video. Don't forget to comment about this video because your comments is very necessary for us to bring this type of video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be happy forever. Take care of yourself and your family. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.